Good day to each and everyone, especially to you, sir. I am Christine de la Flor, and my topic is all about media. Media. It is defined as one of the means or channel of general communication, information, or entertainment in society. For example, newspaper, radio, or television. So, media is a mean or channel where we can generate communication or where we can use communication. For example, is yung radio. So, ano ba talaga yung media? Media is a channel where we can give information in a large community or in a whole world. When we say media, hindi lang siya nakafocus in sharing information. It's also used as entertainment na society. So what are the examples? Example is newspaper, radio, or television. So we're familiar of these examples. So sa entertainment naman, we can also be entertained in media in what especially when we are watching TV. There are some programs na pwedeng maka-entertain sa atin, and mostly naman is nagge-generate sa atin ng information like news and whatsoever. So there are two classification of media: the interpersonal media and the mass media. So what is interpersonal media? Is a transfer of message from one person to another. When we say media, it is a when we say interpersonal media, it is a one-on-one communication or sending message. May isang sender and may isang receiver ng message. For example, we're talking in our friends. Yan. It's an example of interpersonal since dalawa lang naman kayong nag-exchange ng message or information. And the second one is mass media. It refers to transfer of message or information to a large audience. So, mass media, when we say mass, it means malawak or large audience or madaming nakakaalam. Sa mass media naman, hindi lang siya nakafocus sa one-on-one conversation or one-on-one sending message information. For example ng media is yung news. 'Di ba sa news hindi lang naman ikaw mag-isa ang nanonood dito, which is buong bansa or the whole world are watching news. So, nagge-generate ng information in a single platform, pero lahat ng in a single platform, pero hindi lang sa isang tao kundi sa large audience or sa maraming tao. So here are the example of media. Number 1 is radio. Is sound communication by radio waves, usually through the transmission of music, news, and other types of program from single broadcast station to multitude of individual listener equipped with radio receiver. So, we're familiar in radio. Yung radio is mostly nakikita natin sa bahay. Pero, hindi na rin siya as in nakikita because we have phone naman na pwede rin siya mag-generate ng radio communication. So, sa radio, it is sound communication where hindi natin nakikita yung tao na nagsisend sa atin ng information. For example, sa news broadcasting or sa radio broadcasting, di ba we can see the people who's talking and or giving us an information. So dito sa radio meron din siyang sender and receiver. So the sender is the one who's on air or yung nagbibigay sa atin ng information, while the radio receiver naman is tayo. So sa radio, it is also example of mass media since malawak yung sakop ng binibigyan niya ng information. Hindi siya nakafocus sa one-on-one, hindi siya nakafocus sa isang tao lang, kundi multitude o malawak na community yung nabibigyan niya ng or na nahahatiran na information. So, second is television. Television, a form of mass media based on electronic delivery or moving image and sound from a source to receiver. So, television is also a mass media. When we say mass media, like what I said earlier, mass media talks about or sending information through a large audience. So, sa television, we're familiar naman sa television kasi halos lahat naman sa atin is merong television sa kanilang bahay. So, sa television naman, what are the kinds of na nasa television? So, isa rin siyang one of nagsisend siya ng information through electronic delivery. Delivery of moving image and sound for a source to receiver. So, like unlike radio, sa radio is hindi natin nakikita yung nagbabalita or yung binabalita. But while sa television naman, we can see kung sino ba yung nagsasalita, kung ano ba yung laman ng news, kung ano ba yung entertainment or whatsoever. So dito sa television, it's sending information through moving objects. We know naman na sa television we can see things or images na sinisend sa atin. Then also uses sound para magbigay sa atin ng information, and that's all. Thank you.